guys are pretty good, aren't they?
Good. At our best.
So you guys been having a little trouble out there, huh?
We'll be fine.
I sure hope so. It'd be real shame to waste all that talent.
I'm not worried. We have a good coach.
Kid, I hate to say it, but you gotta wake up. Coach Blitzer is what's killing you. He's been useless since the day he was busted.
What you mean, busted?
The 72 game. Guy hid weights in the front of the sled to make it go faster.
So what? It's no big deal.
Having your gold medals taken away for cheating is a big deal.
Derice, let's go. We got a meeting. Giving my kid a few pointers, Larry?